Duralube Severe Fuel System Cleaner is the most concentrated fuel injector cleaner on the market today. One bottle treats 42 gallons of fuel. The first time you use it, you may as well pour in the whole bottle into your fuel tank. It's best to use at least once every 3,000 miles. If you want to keep your fuel system clean, this is one easy way. You can pick up a bottle at Walmart, Fred Meyer, or online.